Welcome to Astrology Reiki. Here we dive into your zodiac sign, exploring planetary movements and offering free guided Reiki treatments. February 2025 brings introspection and transformation for Cancer. With planetary movements emphasizing relationships, shared resources, and personal growth, you may find opportunities for deeper emotional connections and financial strategies. February 4th, Venus transits in Aries. For Cancer Sun, Venus's transit through the 7th house can bring positive energy to your love life, friendships, and business partnerships. This is a time when you may feel more social and drawn to connect with others on a deeper, more harmonious level. You may be more open to attracting new relationships or improving existing ones, as Venus brings charm, diplomacy, and affection to your interactions. Full moon in Leo in February 12th will have a strong influence on Cancer Sun signs. You may feel the urge to move past situations that have been weighing you down emotionally and create a more harmonious environment for yourself and those you care about. This full moon could also prompt you to share more of your emotional world with others, especially in a way that feels genuine and empowering. February 19th, Sun enters also Pisces, shifting the focus even more to your emotions. This is a period of rejuvenation where you may want to slow down, recharge your emotional batteries, and tend to your own inner needs. It's an opportunity for emotional healing and clearing space for new, more positive energy to flow in. In today's Reiki healing session, we will focus on opening and balancing your sacral chakra to help you pursue what you care about, followed by opening your throat chakra to support deeper and more effortless conversations with others. Find a quiet, comfortable place to relax. Lie down or sit and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. On the third, fully exhale using your abdominal muscles. Then breathe naturally. Rest your hands beside you and mentally allow yourself to receive Reiki for your highest good. We begin with an opening prayer. Dear Creator, open me to the flow of Reiki energy. Guide it for my best healing, clearing all negative thoughts, feelings, and energies. May I be a channel for healing myself and others in this energetic field. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will now gently place my hands in the center of your chest and start flowing Reiki energy. As the energy moves, you may feel warmth, tingling, coolness, or other gentle sensations, all signs that the Reiki energy is working. If you don't feel anything just yet, it may be a sign to deepen your body-mind connection. Trust the process and let the energy do its work. Now, I'll gently place my hands above your navel, connecting with the energy of the sacral chakra, also known as the Svadhisthana chakra in Sanskrit. This second energy center, located just below the navel, is the source of your creative life force, sensuality, and sexual energy. It governs your ability to experience pleasure, express yourself creatively, and form intimate connections. Linked to fluidity, movement, and change, the sacral chakra fuels your sense of vitality and supports your ability to embrace life's natural flow. When balanced, this chakra brings confidence and comfort in your own skin, helping you embrace your sensuality and feel inspired by life's possibilities. Now, take a moment to focus on your sacral chakra. Imagine a small flame igniting just below your navel. As you breathe, this inner fire grows stronger, filling you with warmth, power, and awakened passion. You feel alive and connected to your inner fire. I will now place my hands gently near the base of your throat, allowing Reiki energy to flow into your throat chakra. Known as Vishuddha in Sanskrit, the throat chakra is the fifth chakra in the human energy system, according to yogic and tantric traditions. Located at the center of your throat, Vishuddha is the seat of communication, self-expression, truth, and authenticity. When this chakra is in balance, you're able to express ourselves openly, communicate with clarity, and speak our truth. Feel your words, thoughts, and ideas flowing with ease, supported by this gentle yet powerful energy. Embrace the sense of freedom and peace that comes from knowing your voice matters and your truth deserves to be heard. Now take this moment to trust that as this chakra opens, you are being guided to communicate with compassion and integrity. Visualize that in your throat, you have a blue wind that clears with your breath your whole throat. This blue wind expands, clearing a pathway for honest, kind, and empowered expression. Thank you for joining me for this energy healing session. I hope it brought you a sense of relaxation and renewal. Each healing experience is deeply personal, so trust your intuition and honor what feels right for you as you integrate this session. Reiki, meditation, and therapy are all powerful tools to support subconscious processing and spiritual growth. I'm grateful to walk this path with you and be part of your journey. If you feel inspired, I'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share it in the comments. If you enjoyed this session, please like this video and consider subscribing for monthly Reiki treatments. Thank you for your presence and support. Until next time, be well and stay aligned with your inner light.